On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Leshein. This is a fuel transfer pump up to 3 gallons per minute with a USB rechargeable battery in it, and is good for pulling gas out of like a gas can and then putting it into another gas tank, I suppose, or however you want to transfer fuel from one place to another. This is your siphon suction area right here, and this is your pump side. So what you'll do is you'll power it up just like that, and it sucks it up through this hose into wherever you want to. There's a little hook on the nozzle here, so you can kind of hook it on somewhere if you need to. So USB-C to USB-A cable included, so that you can charge this up. It takes, again, a rechargeable battery. It doesn't take regular batteries, so that's kind of nice to have as well. I'm going to take it outside, and we're going to transfer some fuel from one place to another, and I'm going to show you how that works here next. Alright, so I'm going to get this fuel transferred from this diesel gas can here into this can here for my diesel heater. So I'll go ahead and open this up here because we need some heat in here today on this cold day. So slide it in there. We'll slide the pump right here and we'll hit the button. As you can see, it's pumping pretty fast in there. It's already pumped this much in here. We'll get it maybe anywhere between a quarter and a half full here, just to give you an idea. So there we go, guys. We got a decent amount of fuel pumped in there, and then just kind of let it drain back out once you take it out, and have a towel or something handy for it, so it doesn't drip too bad. But it's not really dripping very much, which is very good. Just a couple small drips, but yeah, so that's pretty good. Got a decent amount of diesel in my diesel heater tank here, and now I can run this thing so that I can warm up. But gonna work for any type of fuel: diesel, gas, kerosene, any type of liquid fuel, obviously. Nice little transfer pump, as you see. Alright guys, that's everything on this fuel transfer pump. Hopefully you enjoyed this product review video, and is a great option if you want to not have to put batteries in it and want to have a rechargeable battery and be able to transfer up to 3 gallons per minute from one place to another. This should work really well. I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again. Hopefully you found it helpful and informative, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.